What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a good one for y'all, another good one. It's gonna be about tips to how to make a guaranteed $250 DoorDashing. I hope y'all like it, and welcome to the channel, all the new subscribers. I really appreciate that. Shout out to y'all. It helped me grow the channel and reach more people so everybody out here can eat and make this money. But without further ado, let's get to these tips because I know y'all been waiting. So I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I did have a secret tip for y'all that I was gonna wait till the end of the video, you know, like how some people do, but I don't even care. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all the secret tip. And that secret tip is make sure you do at least 10 dashes straight. Like you cannot end a dash. You need to do 10 dashes straight and you guaranteed to make $95 to $105. Guaranteed, or more. It should be more, but you're guaranteed to make $95 to $105 just doing 10 dashes. That is a secret tip. Don't tell nobody, just share the video so they can come to the channel. On this next tip, I don't want to state the obvious, but some people don't get it. You really need to make sure you have a full tank of gas. Make sure you got a full tank so you never gotta stop. Just stop and take like 10 minutes, sometimes 15 minutes. If somebody playing a lottery, don't let somebody be playing a lottery when you go get some gas, and that's gonna take forever. But that 10 minutes, you could be missing two $15 orders, you could be missing $10 orders just getting gas, and that time add up. So you want to make sure you got enough gas to get you through your whole shift for the day. Even if you decide to take a break for the day, don't fill up on gas because that's cutting into the time you need to make that money. Tip number 2, make sure your phone is charged. Another obvious one. It might seem like DoorDash doesn't pay attention to like how charged the phone is, but I believe nowadays with so much information being transferred through different systems, they could tell if your phone is dying. Because I know a lot of times I was doing dashes and my phone was like dying, and I'm like, I'm on a roll, like why am I not getting orders? Like, and when I put my phone on the charger, all of a sudden I started getting orders like after a minute or two sitting. So I believe having your phone charged is important, besides the fact you need it charged to deliver the orders in the first place. Again, that's stating the obvious, but that's tip number 2. So for tip number 3, this one is super important too. It's not so obvious, but a lot of people don't know about it. When you start your shift, that is very important. I believe you should, if you want to maximize your earnings to earn $250 a day with DoorDash, you need to DoorDash during the peak times, which is usually in the mornings. You can start between 6 and 7. Between 6 and 8 is usually a good time. And I wouldn't stop until about 12:30 or 1:30. 1:30 is kind of pushing it, but I would at least go to 12:30. That way you have enough time to do at least 10 dashes, hint, hint. You have enough time to do at least 10 dashes, earn at least 100 plus. You see where I'm going? Yeah, you want to start at a good time. Starting from 6, anywhere between 6 and 8 should give you enough time to do those 10 dashes or more and earn enough for the first half of the day. The second half of the day, you should start anywhere between 4 and 3:30. Some people is better at 3:30, depending on traffic, but you can start at 3:30 or 4, go all the way until 8 or 8:30. Sometimes 9 or 9:30. I don't want y'all out there too late because there's some crazy people with them guns trying to shoot up. And all right, I might have to take that out the video, but you get the point. Don't stay out too late. You want to be safe. You don't want to be out there sleepy driving at night. So driving at the right times is very important. For tip number 4, be patient. Don't always expect large orders, and this might tie into another video I'm gonna do after this one, possibly about taking low paying orders. Be patient if you want to make $250 a day doing DoorDash, because you got to understand DoorDash is a business and they want to serve all their clients. They want to make sure even the cheap ones that's not tipping all that great, they want to make sure they get their food too. So don't be scared to take the low orders. Hence, again, if you do 10 orders back to back without ending your shift, you will guaranteed make $95 or 105 or better doing 10 dashes without ending a shift. So you could take those low orders, but make sure it's worth it. Don't take a low order that's $3.25 and then you go 10 miles. That's super ridiculous. I don't even think I've seen one like that. I will put one up on the screen to show you all one. So definitely don't take the bad orders, but be patient. If you've been enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button and smash the subscribe button like Graham Stephan be saying. Hit that like button, subscribe, so you can stay tuned with all the latest videos I got for y'all for the tips, so you don't have to find out yourself. I can find out for you. So like it, support the page, I appreciate it. Let's get into this last tip. Tip number 5, ratings do matter. Just like in my previous video, when you have a 4.97, when they send you a stack order, they will send you a third order in your stack order. I've done it. I've been there. I thought it was crazy. I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna be like, what are they doing? But they will send you another order. The third tip really is the ratings do matter, and you also need to maintain a 50% acceptance rate to get any sense of like really good orders. So I believe after the 50% acceptance rate, the quality of the orders start to decline. Like they'll send you $4 orders, a lot of $4, $5 orders, and $6 orders. Compared to having more than 50%, they send you $7 orders, $8 orders, stacked orders for $10, $11. They normally send you orders for no less than $6.75, no less. If you have a acceptance rate of 50%, but also keep in mind, when you are doing really good and they send you all these good orders, they will slide you some of those bad orders. So don't feel like, oh, I was doing good and now they slide me these bad orders, because it happens. Like I said, they want the customers that's not tipping so well to get their food too. It's a business at the end of the day. Did I say that right? Business. I said it right. It's a business at the end of the day, so they gotta make their money. So they want to appease all the clients, as many as they can, which I get it. So, you know, you gotta cut your L somewhere. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I keep messing up, don't I? I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video on possibly why you should take low orders, or if you got any ideas for me, make sure you throw them in the comments. But until then, it's your boy Cam, and I'm out.